Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use CAD. On mobile. Tap the plus icon to start a new site and pick a template. I'll walk you through editing sections, adding images, and adjusting layout with simple taps. You'll learn how to preview mobile views, connect a domain, and publish your site from your phone. Follow along step by step and pause as needed while you practice. In this segment, we'll edit elements on your CAD mobile site with ease. Tap an element to open editing options, change text, adjust fonts, and add links directly from your phone. I'll show how to replace images, tweak spacing, and use presets for consistent styling. We'll also cover undo, duplicate, and delete so you can experiment safely. By the end, you'll feel confident customizing each section. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading research and notes on the go effortless, with a glare-free screen and waterproof design. It's perfect for reviewing ideas while commuting or waiting between edits. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it helps your workflow. Now let's get back to the video. When you're ready to publish, preview your CAD mobile site to check responsiveness across devices. I'll explain choosing between a free subdomain or connecting a custom domain, and show how to set SEO title and description. Learn to publish updates without losing traffic and to roll back if needed. I'll also cover connecting forms and integrations to collect leads or accept payments, keeping your workflow smooth and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.